Hey y'all.
Hey.
So we are making some corn dip that my sister-in-law Bailey made for us the last time they were here. And my mom and my grandmother, they really liked it. But I don't eat corn, so I may not partake in tasting it. But
we figured we would make this up while we're letting our cookies chill. We're doing 2 videos for you guys tonight, so you'll probably see the cookie one video first. Did you go all the way around? Okay. I'll swap these out.
I know I'm not giving up. I'm just trying to get a better grip on it. Woo!
There you
That
go.
came off very easy.
Yeah.
Ooh, that smells
Wonderful. So 2 cans of Mexicorn.
That is Mexicorn.
It's got a little, the Mexicorn, you know, sometimes Bailey couldn't find it when she was here, and she would just use plain corn. But this has a few of the little hot little flakes in it, so.
Yeah, I can smell it.
So if you don't do spice, you probably want to use just plain corn.
You can hold it for me if you
No,
want.
I just didn't want it to hit the floor. It looked like it was getting a little close to the edge. Good job.
I'm just trying to make sure I got it all the way around.
You're pulling it down. Remember, lift it, as you clamp down on it, lift it up. Did you go all the way around? Let me see.
I did. It's not clamping right.
I'm thinking. I don't think all of. Here we go. I don't know.
I think that can just may be a little bit harder to
No,
open.
there's one little spot here
Oh,
that.
sorry. You must have.
Oh no, it's fine. There you go. You can just dump it like that. It'll work. Good job. Last thing.
Another tail.
This thing has like little holes in the bottom, so it's like dripping and draining everything for us.
Which is nice.
It is. I so badly want to jump in and help her hold it.
You can hold it.
No, I don't want you to. This rotel I actually got. The recipe calls for cilantro, but I didn't buy it, and so this right here is the seasoning we put in it. It's already got kind of like a lime. Let me get it closer for you guys. It's already got like a little lime flavor to it, and so the rotel I got has the cilantro and some lime already in it. Sorry, I didn't mean to get in your way. But anyway, I'm sure I'll be the only one eating it, but I'll share with my mom. Her and Papa loved it.
Yes, and that all the way around.
So, you see, look, I'm rocking with my elbow. Like, it's not, like, try that. Let's see, it's really easy. You just clamp it and just kind of lift your elbow versus doing anything with your wrist. Hold that. Now lift your elbow. There you go. But see, like if you're lifting your elbow, it's making it go that direction. Thank you. Alrighty. Alright, so while that's all finishing up draining, we'll go ahead and mix the rest. So, just slide this out of the way. Oh, I took your recipe away, didn't I? I'm sorry.
What's the onions?
Oh, it calls for some green onions. I didn't get that.
Oh, okay.
She left it out and it was good, so I didn't bother.
Okay. Cheddar cheese is first.
Well, no, we're gonna go ahead and mix up the mayo and sour cream.
Okay, that's what it said on the thing, so that got me confused.
That was just the ingredients list. The directions for it is actually on the back. You just mix everything up all together. There's no first, second, third, or anything. So you could do cheese first. There you go. Now you got a little more room.
That's better.
So what did we do today?
We hung out with our family that is in town, and we also went to my great-grandmother's house. We surprised her. She loved the visit.
This is a different great-grandmother though, isn't it? This ain't Grandma Martin.
This is Mama's mom.
This is Great-Ma.
Do I need to add more all the way to the top?
All the way to the top. It's a cup of sour cream and a cup of mayo. You can let go of that. It's not going to go anywhere, sweetie, if you want to hold this. That's about right. I'm sure it doesn't have to be exact. You'll probably want to scrape it. I'll take this now that we're done with that. We clean up afterwards, it's okay.
I guess it's okay to make a mess in the kitchen a little bit. That wasn't really a mess, it was just like a little sling.
One little bitty teeny tiny splatter, it's not a biggie.
I'm sure I was getting all the...
Alrighty, let's see, now you need to fill this, let me get the, you want to get it all out, because if not it won't be equal portions of mayo and sour cream. Exactly. There you go.
We said that at the same time.
Jinx. Alrighty. Same thing. Would it be easier instead of this? Would it be easier for a spoon, you think?
It'll be fine. That's a weird noise.
There you go. Hey,
Is that good or do I keep going?
I think that's fine. I'll push that out of the way too. I went in the wrong direction with it there. Look at you, you got that one clean. Good job. That's good. You can just do it like that.
Oh, I didn't put that. There you go.
We can keep this one. We can do
We're
our
measuring
mixing.
the cheese too?
Yeah, but see, my other cup is dirty. So this is about a cup, and I don't mind if there's a little extra cheese. So you can pour it in there, or what I would do is probably take that and just scoop it up. Like put this inside your bag.
Oh,
That'd probably be easier.
probably.
And if it's too hard, then you can do it however.
This cup is thick.
Oh, here. Never mind then. Just I'll get it where you can pour it. There you go.
I was trying, but
I know.
around this. This cheese wants to go everywhere.
So just so you don't have the whole entire opening there, you can kind of push it to one side, and then you don't have cheese possibly flying everywhere which way.
Oh,
Here, like this, baby.
that's why we have a dog.
Here, just shake it a little, like hold it right here so it can only come out. You know what I'm saying? And then just kind of. I got it. I got an idea. Here. I don't think about all the little things ahead of time. Here you go. Why don't you just do that?
That's so much better.
There. I just get used to being able to. That's good. Oh, okay.
What do I do with all those cheese pieces?
Oh, you can just leave that. We'll clean it up in a minute. You can
Okay.
just dump that over. There you go. And that might be a little bit more than a cup, so you probably don't have to go all the way to the top. But like I said, I do like cheese, so it won't bother me at all.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Okay.
We look like we need more. We can do more. Now I know my counter's clean, so I know my cheese is fine. I'm gonna eat it myself. Mix it all up,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll dump that over in it and mix it all up.
Is this how you make that pimento cheese stuff my mom was talking about today?
Yes, I
is
do
that a
mine
little
with
different?
just mayonnaise though, and pimento.
I'm sorry.
I
didn't
love-
think that.
I love pimento cheese.
I don't really like it that much.
I didn't until I had pause. That's Great Ma's. Here, I'll get on the camera with you. That's Great Ma's husband. He's been passed on a little while now, but he made the best pimento cheese. We were actually talking while we were at Great Ma's house today about all his Christmas desserts. She said that she used to love all of his Christmas desserts, and he was actually the one that did them all, not her. I didn't know that. He used to make some good
Sausage balls.
he loves sausage balls. We made them today, the cousins and aunts, and we made sausage balls. And we never, I don't think anybody knew that Grandma never really loved sausage balls. That Pa did.
I don't really love them that much, but I'll eat them.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. I'm just sure I have all this cheese mixed up.
Oh, that's fine. You don't have to keep mixing anyway.
Whew.
Are you wore out, Kaitlyn? A little bit. All right, I'm gonna let you do the dumping now. What are you? You don't need to do anything with that one. Here, I'm giving you this.
Oh.
Just lay it in the bowl, and then you're gonna pick this up and you're gonna dump it into the glass bowl. There you go. Just flip it over. Good job. Ooh.
Sorry.
you started pulling it towards you. Here, I'll help. Whoa,
So
whoa.
it's a little heavy for me.
It's okay here.
The pan. The little whatever.
This is what we call teamwork. That's why we work together in the kitchen.
Yeah, I
go.
cannot do this by myself.
You could do this by yourself.
I
You would just
will make the biggest mess.
and messes are made to be cleaned. It's fine. All right, go ahead and stir it up now. Ain't that right? Y'all tell us some of y'all's big messes in the kitchen. I think I think they did one time. Well, no, that was the mishap with the garlic.
Nope.
The whole lid came out. There. There we go. This is quick, easy. Let me see. Travis was eating on the Fritos earlier. I like them with, you can have them with anything. Huh. What do you, let's see, go see if he left it at the fireplace. He was eating it with the mustard. There's not many places it could be hiding. I'm gonna keep looking while you keep stirring.
Maybe you put it in a drawer.
That's what I'm thinking. You might have put them in the drawer. Well, alrighty. I have no idea.
Oh, that's heavy.
You're so funny. All right, so again, this is the seasoning, and we just kind of spread. There's no set amount because I love that kind of seasoning. Some people say it gets a little spicy, so I usually just add extra when I pick up my my scoops, and I just sprinkle some extra on it. But I don't know, just kind of all over it, I guess. Just don't try not to touch anything too, because this stays in the, I don't want it to get any like mayonnaise. Oh baby, you can do a lot more than that, because we're gonna mix it all up. Just not too close, because remember I don't want it to touch. There you go. That's good right there. All right,
Oh,
now.
the spice is best.
I like the spice. Now I'm gonna let you mix it up for me. I'm still gonna go hunt up some Fritos so I can give it a taste tester. I wonder. He was eating them with some mustard. Who knows? I know what I'll do. I have some wheat thins. We'll try it with wheat thins. I've never had it. My favorite are the large scoops. But I've had them with the tortilla chips and all. So let me get a little spoon. I'll find them chips that are hidden. You want to taste it?
Mm-mm. Good.
Good job, Kaitlyn.
Where's the thing?
You got an A+. What now?
Where's that thing you clean in
Oh, right there. Diesel sees us eating. I went in there to look for the chips, and so you sure can. He saw us eating, so he's gonna get noisy. We're gonna get off. I'm gonna enjoy my dip.
Well, that's good.
All right, y'all have a good night.
Bye.